Good morning. I'm back. Yes, I'm back from South Carolina. Tired girl here, but it's winter here. I just got home from South Carolina where it was close to 80 yesterday, and today we're in the 50s here. So let's take a look at what happened to my garden while I was gone and some things I'm going to share, some quick little things I'm going to share with you from my trip to Roots and Refuge Farm. Don't go away. Come back. Oh, I know. I know. I know. Yes. He's a cutie patootie. Yes, you are. A cutie patootie. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Okay, so I'm in the garden, and actually it's starting to rain. My lettuce is amazing. I didn't get my pepperoncinis off, so some of them are turning red, but look, I have more blossoms. Unreal. So I am going to make that a priority. I need to get those pepperoncinis pickled because I cannot let those go to waste. Oh my gosh, look at that avocado tree. Isn't it pretty? It's so happy. And look, this is what Jess was talking about on her video. You see these little nodules? She called them poor man's capers. I think those are just seeds right now. I don't know, but oh my gosh. Oh, and look, my friendly gopher decided to come back and welcome me home. Hopefully my husband can get him. I don't know, he's sleeping, but woo, I'm telling you what. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to last out here much longer because my it's starting to rain. Oh my gosh, starting to rain. Let's see. This is the broccoli, which it is getting a little munch, but it's doing really well. I don't know why this one's laying down, but it's doing well. I think it may be time to get rid of the tomatoes. So we'll see how the rain goes. Again, my camera's getting rained on right now. I'm gonna go under the patio. So that is gorgeous. Pretty. I miss my garden. My marigolds. This is my my last and final Fortunia, and I did clip it back well, and gosh, I really have to get out of this rain, darn it. And it looks like there's a really healthy branch there, so help me. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold please. It's raining too much. I cannot afford to get this camera wet. It's not my GoPro this morning, so stand by. So it was windy. The straw that I normally have on that chair that I actually put my little camera tripod on when I come to you fell again onto my seed starts. This is actually the second time that's happened. I do have seed starts still, and some of them are doing amazing. So I got these empty pots everywhere. A strawberry plant fell off of here because apparently it was very windy while I was gone. So yeah, we got some stuff there. Well, you see that? Let's see if I can get in closer. You see that strawberry waiting to bless me? The squash plant looks like it's ready to come out. See that pumpkin there? And yeah, so let's chat. Good morning. Oh my gosh, Mary, I'm sorry, your book just got rained on. Darn it. Okay, there, we're good. Hi guys, welcome, welcome. It's so good to be home. You know how that goes. I mean, my trip was amazing. I have this South Carolina hat now to, cover a bad hair day because, oh my gosh, yesterday was a long flight day. I'm exhausted, but I needed to catch you up real quick. Did you see Jess's video of the morning, the farm waking up? Oh, it's starting to rain. I need to hurry and talk. Okay, so this is the new book that I got, and this is going to Mary Kimbrough, my dear friend. Mary shares my videos all the time. She is such a trooper. She loves me. I love her. And I'm so excited that she's our winner of this autographed book by Jess. So see, there you go, Miss Mary. And Jess did a little video for Mary. I have sent it to Mary already, so she has it personally. I'm gonna pop it in right here real quick.
All right, Mary, here's your signed copy of my new book, The First-Time Homesteader. Thank you so much, and keep growing something lovely. I bless you.
Isn't Jess just an amazing human? She just is. And you say you hope that people are the same when you meet them in person, and I'm here to tell you that if it's possible, Jess is better in person. She is just the sweetest soul. She's true, guys. She's true. And we need to give her a ton more grace and love. She does her very best to give to everyone. She loves you. She truly loves you. So I just had to say that. Okay, now real quick, I'm almost done because it's raining. I just wanted to welcome you guys back. Well, I'm not welcoming you back. I guess I'm welcoming me back. So yes, I have this hat that reminds me of you, Jess, and then I have my shirt on that Toby loves. What do you guys think? This is in the Backyard Homesteader page. And so Toby saw it. It was too hot to wear it, but I had it tied around my waist, and this was on the back side. And oh my gosh, Toby, my friend, you are such an amazing little man. You are. He is present. He is his mama. I really feel that. Although I will say Jeremiah is amazing as well. He is such a personable person, and he's present, man. He is present. So thank you guys so much. The whole Sowards family. Daniel was amazing. Guys, I'm gonna have a video. It's gonna take me a little time to gather all the footage and get it put together for you. Hopefully I'll have it out to you by the end of the week, okay? But yeah, an amazing time. Absolute amazing time. Again, thank you, Jen, my sis. It was because of her I was able to go. Truly a once in a lifetime opportunity. Okay, so while I was there, I won something. Jess was so sweet. She was giving stuff away. I really don't think anybody left there without something. But this is what I won. I don't know if you guys have seen Jess's, she's probably had several, but I'll find one of her videos. She had a recent one. Well, I say recent. It's probably been, maybe 9 or 10 months ago. Heck, it may have been a year ago. I don't know. It's fairly recent. Of the popcorn from this, what is this? McCaskill Family Farm, right? So this is that amazing. Hopefully you can see okay. I have this in the wrong mode. And then the Squisito butter, olive oil, butter infused olive oil. Hopefully, there you go. And the famous or infamous black truffle sea salt. Let me see. Can you see that? I think so. So amazing. And I'm going to go ahead and see if this will grab it. Hopefully it does. Screenshot it. Go get your own from Squisitos. I'm going to try this. Now, I will tell you that I gave up popcorn. I don't know, it's been probably almost a year ago. Not because I wanted to. I love popcorn, but the kernels were getting stuck in my gums, and it was just a bad thing. But I'm hoping this is different. I'm gonna cook this in my Epicure steamer. Sorry guys, I'm so tired. And I will try to get this recorded so we can share the moment together, okay? All right, well, it started raining, so I can't finish showing you the rest of the garden, but yeah. We skipped fall completely. As I mentioned that earlier, but I mean, we truly went to winter. It has been raining. It's going to be raining all day today. I want to say we're forecasted for at least 4 or 5 more days. So here I was in South Carolina in the 80s. It did rain there too. It was very humid. Yeah, I'll admit humidity gets me. And then at home it was in the 50s the whole time I was gone. So, and I asked my husband, because I have sweet potatoes still in the back, on the back wall. And our first frost date here is, I think, November 15th. I think, but it could be, I don't know. I'll look it up again. It might be December, but it may frost tonight. So yeah, I may have to record my sweet potatoes. I'm just not sure if they did okay. It's my first year. I'm learning on, you know, with this container gardening, with certain things you have to prepare the soil differently. And I'm so excited for my garden next year, and even my fall garden, although, you know, it's just tough. Fall is tough. Good for you. Good for you if you went ahead and planted anyway. I'm proud of you. Each year I hope for more. And I have all kinds of bok choy plants. So here's hoping they come up. I don't know. They got munched early. So, all right, guys. Gotta run. I love you. I'll get a video about my trip to Roots and Refuge Farm, hopefully by the end of the week. Peace. Until next time. Love you, man. Bye. And it's raining in South Carolina. Check out the rain. Dun dun. You enjoying the rain? I love it. We just got back from Roots and Refuge Farm. Well, we did go to dinner. And we just got back in the car and no rain. And now